Okay, some of you failed the hip rotation test. Most of us are really too tight in our hips. We just don't stretch our hips enough. So, the easiest one, sitting in a chair, crossing one leg over the other. Just doing that act alone oftentimes is painful. Pushing that leg down a little bit. Now, when we lean forward, I don't want you to lean with your spine tilting this way. That's not stretching your hip. I want you to bend from the ball and socket joints, which are near your pockets, straight back, and I start to lean forward. I'm already stretching right now, folks. This hurts right here. And I'm breathing. I go a little further, but when I go further, I'm not dropping my body. I'm staying straight. I don't have to go very far. I feel the stretch, and I'm keeping this down. You can also take this and pull it across your chest while sitting. Again, you can do this in your office. You can do it in the golf cart, whatever. And obviously you do it on the other side. That's for the external rotators of your hip, your piriformis and your big butt muscles. Inside, the internal rotation, we need, what is internal rotation? Well, in the golf swing, when I go into a backswing, that is internal rotation on my right hip. When I go into a follow-through, that's internal rotation on my left hip. This one's a little tricky. I'm going to stand tall. I'm going to have my hands on my hips. I'm going to stretch my left internal hip. I'm going to turn my foot as far as it will go and keep my hips here. I'm going to start to turn them, and I can't go very far. I feel a big stretch in my hip. Now, here's the key. You're going to contract your deep muscles, feeling like you're trying to push your foot outwards, like squishing out a cigarette butt or something on the ground. But it doesn't move. It doesn't move, but my muscles contract like crazy just for the deep breath. Now when I blow out, I stop doing that, and I let my hips rotate. And then I push out again, and I blow out, I stop contracting, and I rotate. And you see I'm going further each time. I push out, this is a great stretch. I blow out, I go again. Now there's a limit how far we can go. That's for mine, but that's plenty right there. And that's an excellent stretch in your hip, and obviously you shake that out, and you would go the other way. Only go into where you can, breathing in, try to push it out, relax, and go a little further. And that will really open up your hips.